These are my rules for 2024. Rule number 1. Always accept offers for breath mints or gum. Rule number 2. Men's platonic relationships with other men should be more similar to the relationships that women platonically have with other women. Rule number 3. Assume good intention and always have a safety net. Rule number 4. Evolve in private, learn in public. Rule number 5. Say, I love you a lot more. Rule number 6. Always put your socks on properly. Rule number 7. Proofread anything that you write down. Rule number 8. Use your blinkers. Rule number 9. Accept that the groceries will need multiple trips to and from the car. Rule number 10. Phones are tools, not toys. Rule number 11. Try a few things that you've historically disliked to prove to yourself that you still dislike them. You may surprise yourself. Rule number 12. Write more. Rule number 13. Don't be embarrassed about being embarrassed. Thanks for watching. Please follow along.